Hi there, wealth builders. This is your king speaking, and you are watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, we're here to talk about a topic that might make some of you uneasy: recession. But hold on, wealth builders. Did you know that a recession can actually be a golden opportunity for wealth building if you play your cards right? That's right. With the right planning and strategies, you can maximize the potential recession for 2023 and the upcoming years. So, without further ado, come join your king and let's get started. Alright, first things first. The first step is to evaluate your spending habits and cut back wherever possible. Wealth builders, this is the time to get rid of those subscriptions you barely use or don't need at all. Do you really need cable TV when you have streaming services? Also, take a look at your grocery bill. You might be shocked to find out that buying generic brands can save you a significant amount of money without compromising quality. The point of your king here is to be conscious of where your money is going and to make sure that every dollar you spend is absolutely necessary. Take a moment to review your bank statements and credit card bills. Identify any recurring charges that you can live without or find cheaper alternatives. Additionally, consider negotiating with your service providers for better rates. Let me tell you a little secret. Many companies out there are willing to offer discounts or special promotions to retain customers. Try to explore. Now, wealth builders, trimming your expenses is not just about saving money. It's about changing your mindset too. It's about learning to differentiate between needs and wants and prioritizing your financial health over instant gratification. This mindset shift is the first crucial step in planning for a recession and can set you up to not just survive, but thrive and possibly gain wealth during tough economic times. Your king guarantees you that by being mindful of your spending and cutting back on unnecessary expenses, you can free up more money to invest or save. This can help you build an emergency fund to weather any financial storms that come your way and take advantage of investment opportunities when others are selling off their assets at a discount. Next up, we have the importance of having multiple income streams. You see, wealth builders, relying on one source of income is like building a house on a single pillar. If that pillar collapses, the entire house comes crashing down. That's why your king is always saying how crucial it is to diversify your income sources. This could mean starting a side hustle, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or renting out a room on Airbnb. The key is to have money coming in from different places, so if one source dries up, you have others to fall back on. Not only does having multiple income streams provide a financial cushion during economic downturns, but it can also fast-track your journey to wealth. Here's the thing. By leveraging your skills, assets, and investments, you can generate passive income and grow your wealth even during a recession. Good deal, isn't it? Like for instance, if you have a skill that's in high demand, you could freelance or consult on the side. If you have assets like property, you could rent them out and earn rental income. And if you invest wisely, you could earn dividends and capital gains from your investments. And there are tons of other ideas to earn money. You just need to think outside the box. So, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income streams and give yourself a financial safety net. In doing so, you'll not only survive the recession, but you could potentially come out ahead and gain wealth in the process. Now, for our third plan, we have managing and keeping an eye on your debts. Wealth builders, high-interest debts can quickly spiral out of control, causing significant financial strain. During a recession, when job security may be uncertain and incomes may take a hit, managing these debts becomes even more important. Prioritizing the repayment of high-interest loans can save you money in the long run and help you avoid falling deeper into debt. If you have multiple debts, consider consolidating them. This could potentially lower your overall interest rates, making your debt more manageable and easier to pay off. Wealth builders, being debt-free or having manageable debts can make a significant difference during tough economic times. It can relieve financial stress and free up money that you can use to invest or save for the future. In fact, having control over your debts could even present opportunities to gain wealth during a recession. For example, with lower interest payments, you could have more disposable income to invest in undervalued assets or stocks that have the potential for high returns when the economy recovers. Additionally, being debt-free can also improve your credit score, giving you better access to financial products with favorable terms. So, take control of your debts, prioritize paying them off, and set yourself up for financial success. By doing so, your king assures you that you can not only weather the storm of a recession, but also potentially come out ahead. Now, last but certainly not least, staying informed and being flexible is key. Wealth builders, in this last part, your king suggests that you should keep an eye on economic indicators, follow financial news, and be aware of the changes in the market. This will help you make informed financial decisions and adjust your plans as needed. And remember, it's okay to change your strategy if the situation calls for it. Knowledge is power, and the more you know about the current economic situation, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions that will benefit you in the long run. Don't be afraid to seek advice from financial experts too, and learn from others who have successfully navigated recessions in the past. You know, being adaptable can help you navigate through the recession more effectively. It allows you to pivot when necessary, take advantage of opportunities that arise, and most importantly, protect your wealth. In times of economic uncertainty, opportunities may present themselves that you hadn't considered before. If you're flexible and open-minded, you can seize these opportunities and potentially gain wealth from them. Sounds enticing, am I right? So, what are you going to do? Simple. Stay informed, be flexible, and be ready to adapt to the changing economic landscape. With a solid plan and a willingness to adapt, you can weather the storm of a recession and come out on top. There you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.